We start with the CPU block. The first thing we plug in is our white USB. We take the small end and plug it into the CPU in the slot that says power, right here. Our next piece is our ultrasonic sensor. It's the red piece with the two circles on the side. We plug that into the slot that says ultrasonic. Our next two pieces are our DC motors. These are the two yellow pieces. We plug these two cables into DC motor 1 and DC motor 2 on the CPU. The last piece we have to plug in is our servo motor. We plug the servo motor into the slot that says servo. Now we can start building our blocks. We place a sensor on the CPU here. Make sure on the ultrasonic sensor, the sensor parts are facing outward. Next, we can place our motors onto the sensor, like so. For the DC motors, make sure that the two circular ends are pointing outward. To balance out the motors, we're going to need a long piece. We'll just place that on top of both the motors, connecting them. Now let's set up our servo. We take a long piece and place it on the other side of the CPU. Next, we'll need a pink connector block. We place it on the left side of the long block. Now we take our servo and connect it to the pink, like so. Congratulations, you finished the body of our robot. Now we need to build the house. Start by cutting out 4 rectangular cardboard pieces. And then 1 square piece, where each side is the same length as the short side of the rectangle. Now let's cut out the face of our haunted house. Lean 1 rectangular piece up against the robot. Cut out eye holes where the 2 DC motors stick out, and cut out a mouth hole where the sensors are. Lean the square piece against the side of the robot and cut out a hole where the servo motor sticks out. Now you can decorate the front of your house. To start building the house, we tape all our rectangular pieces into a box and have the square piece as its side. Now you're ready to place the robot inside your box. And to attach the wheel to our servo motor, place a circular hole against the motor. Tape 2 eyes to the green wheels where the circular holes are. We need the other side for the rectangular holes. We can attach the DC motor to the rectangular holes. Now let's add the eyes. To make our scythe, we cut out a piece of paper and tape it to our straw. Then we place it into our other wheel. You've done it! You've built your haunted house! And now it's time to code.